address the disaster. You know do nothing at all, my brother. And you know why me a combo you? You are one of them artists. They will say if every artist I go right, you all go left. So you stay alkaline. See? And
may I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news there?
And you don't know Media Fox, man. You know what things setting up. Yeah, man. So people, I'm gonna play a video. See some two brother run out. I talk something about Alkaline. You see me? So you don't know me. I have to make you know see what I go on. Cause we now gonna make them people forward out and I make the youth brand. You understand? Look away when the youth been giving out to the people, been supporting the people. You understand with them foundations from 2014 when right up in a COVID everything. So we have to make people say, yo, them brother yeah, I chat one bag of crap. You understand? But pre this.
Ken, you know what I mean? And as I tell you, anything I say and it run from my brain, I'll talk it. Now, me is a 80s baby, so my dancehall thing done from Bunty and Beanie rivalry. At them time, I used to follow dancehall. But me I see everything I go on, and me I see the artists, and me I see the influencer them I do them thing. But Alkaline, I'll know me not see I do nothing. I'll know me not see I do nothing Alkaline. See? If you do it privately, me no know. Right? Because Mr. Vegas say I go to private. But in this thing, every man I go public, me thinks that everybody just go public and done. Because if you go private, people are going to say, oh, you don't do nothing. See? So at the end of the day, my general, Gully, Gaza, and Vendetta, that run Jamaica. See?
People, these are the things I talk about where, you see this social media world, trust me, it's very vile. Because there's no way when somebody giving people and supporting somebody, them have to always have video, them have to always in the media. I don't know when since this thing forward. Because when Alkaline did that give away gift packages or give away any fund, seeing him send him team them, me not hear nobody. Me I wonder people, videoing yourself on social media, giving back to somebody, or sending somebody to give back by your brand, isn't the same giving somebody or supporting the people them? Or funding the people them or give them a relief? More no, because me no know. So the brother you try tell me say now, say giving back to people is a clout thing now, or you just giving back because of the disaster and you know the hurricane, the damage we create and certain things. So me not understand you a say him for give out make people see, because people are gonna say, so wait, me not understand this. Now give him a give same way. What's the difference? What's the difference? Now give him a give back same way. Why Alkaline need to come out and show himself to give somebody relief packages? Tell me now. Him can't say nothing brand. But you know, me realize people, that's why I bring up the Gully and Gaza thing, you know. Seeing? And I tell people said this is why they're calling out Alkaline. Because of the rivalry with Alkaline and cartel situation / massacre. That's why you see them run out. Because look here, Massacre do him thing, video, cartel do him thing. Remember, you know, them man they choose to do that because them want show themselves, say them are doing it. That are fit them personality. Them love camera, them love do this, them, you understand? Them love ray with people and mingle and all of these things. Not say Alkaline or mingle with people. Him just a move like somebody where, you know, a superstar, a professional person. Remember, you know, a lot of artists out there, when them a give back, them just give back. Yes, them just give back. Them not, they have to always in the media give back. I don't understand this. So weird. So, they on the social media give back to the people and because of the disaster is not the same thing by giving back without being on the social media. I don't understand that. Because this how me realize giving back to the people become a clout thing now or what? Because me no know. It's like Una keep on a rush Alkaline. For rush him. Una no know the youth situation, you know. Una no, first of all, una know if Alkaline living. Una no know if him mother alright. Una know if him sister them alright or whatsoever. Family him have in a Trelawney or anyway. Una no care about that. But in a rush, yo, oh, me no see him. Yo, this and that. Just because you know see the other rest of artists them, the big name them. And that's why me know people, may I tell you this. If Cartel and Massacre them never come out and I donate nothing, them wouldn't call out Alkaline. Them just a find a point. Them know say Alkaline is not that person for forward out in the media, you know. And that's why them just wait upon that time for bring us. Oh, you know, see, these are the things them do, but look here.
At least me say my father come out and say, boy, I'm a country and rare. Me not see him really do nothing yet still. You know what I mean? But at least him come address the disaster. You know do nothing at all, my brother. And you know why me I come boy you? You are one of them artists. They will say if every artist I go right, you all go left. So you stay Alkaline. See it? And me not tell you say me not go follow and say I'm mean because I don't know you like that. But at the end of the day, Alka. This I don't want to sit out. This I don't want to sit out, my general. See?
So, yo, we tell you about them money. So you tell me say now, true the other rest of artists them a go so and Alkaline a go the other way. It be a problem now? Yo, people, we are telling you that, yo, you see life and fear though. Just because Alkaline are doing own thing is a problem. I can't believe this. So you tell me say true the you take a different direction from the other rest of artists them is a problem. Yo, you know violent. People, me tell this. Any Alkaline they found out and I do what them I do, you know what them would say? Yo, watch it, see there. I follow him, I follow now, you know. Follow him, I follow. Bro, we don't control Alkaline thing. You understand? That are the problem. We don't control Alkaline system. The man do what he want to do. And anywhere he want to go. You see it? Because at the end of the day, we don't know say the youth no love the social media thing. Him not forward out and them little thing there. Come brag and you know show him lifestyle and every little thing. We don't know him thing. No, nothing about the youth. So that's why I not try come out now for criticize, for try do something. You understand? But at the end of the day, Alkaline always have something with it for surprise uno. Because uno go bash him today and when I bet say when him start do things now. Me I go tell the people, anytime you see Alkaline, if either him team, because I know him team maybe forward out or you hear say yo man do something because Alkaline I go do it. Alkaline is for the people. Yeah. So anytime Alkaline team roll out with the stuff them, you go hear what them say. You know what them are going to say? Them are going to say, watch ya, see it there? And finally I come out now, if you never talk, if you never this, them want control Alkaline if you do. When them talk, if you just forward out. Remember enough other artists out there when I donate, you know, people. Enough other artists, you know, when I donate. But just because Cartel and Movado them and Massacre them donate, them I look for Alkaline donate now. See? But when Alkaline did a donate back then, the million and the 200,000, see? Them never I call out Massacre and they never call out Cartel and never call out Movado, you know. That's why I show you say when you come to Alkaline, them easy to bring down the youth brand. Is it? But this is what I must say.
Play a part. See? Run it through your sister. Or run it through your name. Yeah, man. If you're one of them, what them say introvert or rare, fine. But this, now have nothing to do with whether you're introvert or you're controvert or whatever vert. Come out, three fan base on Jamaica. Gully, Gaza, and Vendetta. See? Gully they are one, Vendetta they are two. No. Gaza they are one, Vendetta they are two, and Gully they are three. So, Shubo, Alka, Shubo. Yeah, man, we need to see you, man. Yeah, Alkaline. Yeah, we need to see you. I don't know if this will reach you, but at the end of the day, me have a talk. See? Yeah, man, come out, my general. Come out, man. Because remember, your last show where you keep. Now, down that side, they will mash up it keep. Yeah, man, come out, man. Come out, my general. Big up.
So, people, you hear him say, you see when me tell you say the same thing. You hear when him say a while ago, say, the fan base, him a talk about the Gully and the Gaza and the Alkaline. I tell you, that is why them a call out Alkaline. Because them see them man they do a thing and them not see Alkaline thing, nothing. A pop up say, yo, Alkaline do this and Alkaline do that. But that's what I try to show you. When him did that do it back then, them never did a call out no artists. You understand? Them never did a call out no artist people. None. Them never call out when Alkaline. Why when Alkaline did that do it? I donate the $1 million to the blind and the 200,000 to the cancer patient and some chemical to the homes. The people them in the homes. Why you never call out the other rest of artists them? Say, yo, how Alkaline I do this and uno na do nothing. Why? Just be sure you say, yo, you una hypocrite. Me I tell you no, una hypocrite. You see anything, you know, them fine to bring down a youth, them bring down a youth, you know. You understand? But you see the fight when I do, remember me telling you, man. You see it. Because you at about fan base now nothing to do with this, brother. You see, you are tell say Alkaline can't sit out this. Me never know say Alkaline is a government of Jamaica. What you mean the youth can't sit out this? And Alkaline responsibility, brother. And none of the artists, man, no Mova the responsible, no Cartel, and no Massacre, none of them, bro. It's because them the heart what them have and the love for the people make them a give back. You understand? The government responsible for the people, them, bro. Right now, the artists, them and the people, them, the regular people, them, are do more than what the government are do right now. You understand? That them when you go call out, bro. Call out them. No for me you not forward out. When you not call out the government, you not call out Alkaline like say all of the taxpayers' money are going in Alkaline pocket. Call out the government, brother. You understand? What the artists them do is great, but I feed them responsibility. You see it, but people, you see your next Rasta brother forward out. Don't see what I say.
Love people, brother. What's the difference between Massacre and Alkaline? I have two such stars them. Massacre love everybody. Alkaline only love theme people them. So right now, him not consider Jamaican people as theme people. Him only consider like a theme circle them as theme people them. So that's why I don't see my show about, because from long time, I always feel like him better than the people them. And him prove me right. Alkaline.
Yo, the Rasta brother, go cut your locks, dog. Go cut your locks, brother. What you mean by Alkaline? Tell me we in Jamaica we stamp in anybody, in no body for it, say yo, Alkaline fan this. Me not understand this. This is what I go say. Alkaline only care about theme people them. So tell me now, Alkaline have a list, write down with names, and say you are theme people them this? Me not understand this. People, brother, yeah. You see some of my time, anytime, anything for bringing a youth, them are just forward out and say certain things. You see it? Or just that people.
You're not better than the people them. My lad, you're going to sink yourself. That me I tell you. You're going to put your car in a rascal hole. If you drop a song, the people go say Alkaline, we don't want to fucking hear it. All when it bad as yes, we don't want to fucking hear it. Tell you, you sit it out, brother. Let me tell you this. This is just like Chronics. Sidebar. Chronics. Sit out, carry on.
People, this man I say Alkaline go on like him better than people. Jeez. I don't know if it come like say yo Alkaline not for be himself. That me realize. Alkaline not for be himself. You are gonna say yo anytime Alkaline drops, bro, a years them a fight Alkaline, bro. Them take out them song them out of them playlist, them not play him for a year, all of these things and look on the youth today. Are you see him one still a call the youth name? It's like you not understand people, you know, bro. People will say this, boom, bam, nay, and then tomorrow them say, yeah, brother. People easy if you switch up. People run with clout. Whatever hot now, it them a run with, brother. Even you are run with clout. You see the look Alkaline trend forwarding out and, yo, Alkaline for this. So you jump on the train. You understand? You know, see Alkaline name, I call up. Right now, to me, Alkaline name I call up more than the government right now. Because amount of people may see a forward out. And I say, this is the thing, you know, you don't know what Alkaline having plan, you know. You don't feel like say true Massacre do it, Cartel do it. You don't feel like say Alkaline for they on the same route with them. What if Alkaline I do it on theme own timing? I don't understand. The man not obligated to do none of these things. And not try to fast forward where the man I go do. Just to bring down a youth. I'm not going to say, yo, if him not do him for do, yo, people, them are going to just stop listening music and this and that. Bro, everybody knows Alkaline now do the social media thing. So if I eat in a weight pan, I don't get that, I maybe same team. But I don't see Alkaline, bro. I just saw the youth move. Look how much artists move like that. Look how much artists. Some don't know who not forward, bro. But I say go just go and make the youth thing relevant. You understand? Because anytime I hope when Alkaline team roll out with the stuff them, you know, we don't keep the same energy. You understand? Make sure you see it. But people who don't know a thing, you know, one media facts, you know. Yeah man, that is it.